Hello everyone, my name is Yo Jing. I am going to present about my final project for data structure class. So this project took me 4 weeks to finish. In week 1, I did project setup and data generation, and continue to week 2, I did analysis engine development and report generation in week 3. And lastly, I make some final touches and submit the project to my GitHub. So what problems are we solving through this project? First of all, manually analyzing chat logs is time consuming and inconsistent. So I hope through this project I can make it more time efficient and more accurate and provide more accurate data. And next, business needs simple tools to assess response times, issues, and satisfactions. And lastly, there's a need for automated visual summaries to make support data actionable. So the idea of making this final project came from the previous homeworks that the teacher gave to us. So from homework 1, I take the CSV data reading and environment handling, and from homework 2, I learned about the data chunking and basic cleaning, statistical analysis and parsing logic. And from homework 3, I learned about report generation using Report Lab. So the final project consists of everything that I learned from these 3 homeworks. So far I have completed these 3 main functions. So I have made the project skeleton and folder setup. I created chat analyzer with folders for data analysis reports and main pipeline. And secondly, I have made the analysis engine to implement functions to calculate response times, issues frequency, and satisfaction scores. And lastly, the report generator, which generates a clean PDF report with tables and key findings. I made a quick summary about how I completed this final project, like the few steps in this main flow chart. So first of all, I make the generate chat data, which generates sample chat data. In the generate chat data folder, there are 3 main functions. First of all, the initialize API, and the second one is to generate chat data by creating a realistic chat conversation using AI. And then the third important feature from the generate chat data folder is save to CSV, which is to store generated data in a structured form for analysis. The second one is analyzer PY. The data is then analyzed by analyzer PY to extract meaningful insights. So for the data analysis part, I make a folder called analyzer.py. In this folder, load CSV is to read the generated chat data from file, and then analyze data is to process raw data or meaningful insights, and then calculate the statistics like total messages, unique users, and etc. And then analyze issues by categorizing them and counting the different types of issues, and analyze sentiment, determine positive or negative sentiment to calculate average response times. Finally, after gathering all the meaningful insights, the report generator PY creates a comprehensive PDF report, and the process ends with a complete analysis report. For the final part of the final project is the report generation or report generator PY folder, and there is the create PDF function which initializes a new PDF document for the report, and then the add title to add a professional like page and add statistics to include tables with key metrics and numbers. Finally, add charts to visualize the data with 3 types of charts. The issue distribution chart, which contain a pie chart showing different issue category, and then the sentiment analysis chart, which is a bar chart showing sentiment distribution, and then response time chart, which is a histogram showing response time distribution. Now I'm going to give you a look of what the raw data is like before it is analyzed and organized. And this is what it looks like after it is organized into the chat analysis report with the basic statistics and the pie chart showing the issue distribution, and then there is the sentiment analysis. Next, there is the bar graph showing the sentiment distribution, and lastly the response time analysis shown in the histogram. So that is all for my final project presentation. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.